Hi everyone, it's Steve here from Leading Dental. Today I just want to do a really quick overview on one of my favourite products, which is the Lubri-Jet drops from Cattani. This is a great product. It's very cost effective, but such an all-round sort of product with so many uses. So I'm going to go through that and a little bit of maintenance on your suction hand pieces. So this product here, it's a silicone lubricant. So you can use it instead of using like your O-ring lubricant, like your gels. This is a silicone. So if we have a look here, I'll just drop a little bit on here. You see it's just a liquid. So it comes with these 4-dropper bottles. You get 4-dropper bottles in a box, and they're less than $40 for a box of 4. So outstanding value, 30 mils, 4 30 ml bottles for $40, bargain. So what we do is, you can use this to lubricate O-rings, any sort of moving parts on hand pieces or even on metal surfaces. So what we can do, if we've got to lubricate the O-rings, we can just put a couple little drops onto any O-rings that we've got to maintain, and just sort of guide that around, pop it back in again. And because it's a drop, you can even just drop it straight into the mechanisms and just work that sort of mechanism in, and it'll just help to lubricate all that. Of course, you can pull these hand pieces all apart and clean and lubricate internally as well. Now, one of the things you need to be aware of is any of these hand pieces that got that little barrel in them, just be aware, the barrel, if we push on that little barrel there, that mechanism pops out. Now that's vital that you regularly pull that out and just lubricate. Now, not only lubricate, I'd recommend to take it back to the stereo room, give it a good scrub and a clean, lubricate those O-rings, pop them back in, and then that's going to keep everything running nice and smoothly. Of course, we've got O-ring in there, lubricant in there, and again, because it's a lubricant, you can get it into all sorts of little joints and moving parts. But great little product, highly recommended from Cattani. You can buy that from Leading Dental, $40 for a box of 4. Thank you.